I created 20 songs in 10 minutes.
Wow.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be an AI composer too. That's right. If you want to be a DJ, a composer, or just create stunning background or study music, AI has finally entered the music space and the results are awesome. I'm AiAtom, and on this channel, I show you the coolest AI and automation tools and businesses. And in this video, we're going to look at Suno, the best AI music generator out now. We're going to go in depth and show you how to create your own custom songs. So click the link in the description to open Suno, subscribe, and let's get into it.
AI empowers your day with automation leading the way. So get a better handle on it and subscribe to the channel. Got it?
Suno is a game-changing platform that lets you generate AI music in seconds. It lets you generate music with lyrics and without, and it does it so quickly and so well that you will be floored. And you can see on the main page that thousands of people have been using this to generate tons of different songs of all sorts of genres. Not only that, but let me show you the pricing because this is really cool. You get a basic plan that lets you generate about 10 songs a day for free. But what's really exciting is the Pro plan and Premier plan, because these give you general commercial terms. So you can actually commercialize the songs that you generate, sell them, or put them on Spotify and earn money using these songs that you generated in seconds. Imagine getting the Pro plan and paying $10 a month and being able to generate 500 songs that you can put on a Spotify playlist or commercialize in dozens of other ways. But enough of pricing. Let's get into how you actually create songs. So when I click the Create tab, I am now in the generator, and there are a few different things that we can go through here. To start off, let's let Suno create an entire song just off of some basic descriptors. Now, Suno works just like any other AI generator where you can add in a description for your song. But I found that it works best when you add in things like how you want it to sound.
Well, yeah, took you long enough.
Specifically things like the voice, what that should sound like, and the different genres that you want to be incorporated here. And you can get a lot of inspiration from just going through the homepage and finding songs that you like the sound of, because when you select a song, you can see the exact prompt that they put in to generate it. So you can see here, it's Japanese, male voice, D&B, alternative rock, and this is how you prompt Suno. You add in the different aspects that you want to be put together, and it will generate a song based on that input. So we can see that it has the different styles that you want to be included. So it's definitely worth exploring and getting an idea of the different styles that are available, because I'm sure you'll see some that you've never heard of before. But in my case, I'm going to make some background music for these videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is toggle on instrumental. If I don't have this toggled on, Suno is actually going to write lyrics for the song, and those will be included, which I don't want for a background music. And then I'm going to add in my prompt. So in my case, it's going to be lo-fi, trap, futuristic feel, and chillcore. And we're just going to see what that comes up with. So once I hit create, you'll see that it's loading two different versions of that song based on this prompt. And I can figure out which one I like more. And in a little under the 10 seconds, it's created two new songs. It happens that fast. Now that I have the two songs, I can choose to download them directly from this or add them to a playlist. Or if I have a song that I really like the general feel of, but it's too short, I can actually click extend. So if I have this 50-second song, I can actually extend this out and it will make this a longer version of that same song. But we're obviously missing something with these songs, and that is the lyrics. So let's see how it does with some lyrics. Now, when I undo the instrumental, it'll allow me to add some different lyrics here, but I'm going to turn off custom and we're just going to go straight off the prompt again. Now, here I have my prompt: funk, trap, rap, deep voice, bass, and powerful. And I have instrumental turned off, so it should create lyrics along with the song. Now let's see what we come up with this prompt. And here we have it.
Low end stump and shake the trunk, rattle walls. Baseline heavy, earthquaking through the halls. Mic in hand, word slaying vocal growl. Funk, trap, fusion, funky, fresh.
So it did a pretty awesome job with that. And you can actually see the lyrics over here on this side where it's written out a full lyrics with verses and chorus for this song. And that is how it is generating all of the words for this. So now you've got all the basics that you need to start creating some awesome songs. But let me show you a few of the other options that you have. And that, of course, is the advanced options. So when I click custom here, you can see that I get a lot more input. And here I'm able to specify not not only the style, which is how I was prompting the other songs, but I can also add in custom lyrics. So if I am more of a writer and want to add in my own song lyrics, I can add them here. Or I can just hit surprise me and make modifications as needed. So if you can watch here, you'll see when I added surprise me, I've got my verse 1, verse 2, my chorus, all of this added in automatically. There's also one more option, which is uploading audio. Now, when you upload audio, you are able to essentially have a voiceover or some audio of your own and then add in a prompt and have it elaborate on that. So this is also a very cool feature if you want to sing the songs yourself and then have the instrumentals added to your song. Now, this is still a feature they're working on, so it's a little bit buggy, but in terms of making songs day to day, Suno is the king.
I'm AiAtom, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like for more videos like this.